Breaking news. PlanForm's brand new irregular curve measurement update is here. Tired of tracing curve outlines with dozens of manual clicks and getting accurate measurement data? Let our latest feature streamline your entire takeoff workflow. Let's start with our one-click curve snap workflow. First, calibrate your drawing with set scale by lamp in the scale menu. Or measurements support flexible unit conversion. You can switch between metric and imperial units to match global construction project. Then we head to the Measure tab and select the Continuous tool. When using the Continuous Measurement tool under the Measure menu, the program will generate a pale light blue shadow per view when it identifies curved edges on your drawing. Simply hold down the Control key and hover your mouse cursor over the target curve. The faint light blue overlay will switch to a bold, distinct dark blue shadow to signal successful curve recognition. Perform a left click on the highlight curve afterward. The blue shadow overlay will fade away, and the curved segment will turn solid red on the blueprint. This visual cue confirms the arc has been fully captured and added to your measurement data. We also provide a 3-point arcflow for highly complex custom chips. Press key A to activate this function. Mark the start point, control point, and end point to perfectly fit any unique curved building outlines, delivering precise arc length measurements. We also support measuring areas that contain curved arcs, using both of these curve recognition methods. Navigate to the polygon function under the Measure menu to draw enclosed regions, combining straight lines and capture arcs for accurate area calculations. If you make a missetup during measuring, hold down the spacebar to instantly undo your last segment and retrace effortlessly. Press the R key anytime to swap your measurement start point for flexible contour tracing. Beyond curve measurement, PlanForm boasts a comprehensive full-spectrum measurement toolkit. For length, we support linear, aligned, continuous, arc, and perpendicular measurements. For area, we have rectangle, polygon, and autofill at your disposal. Extra powerful tools include graphic marking, shape recognition, angle and radius calculation. Built-in autofill and intelligent object counting drastically boost estimating productivity. PlanForm's complete measurement matrix adapts to every scenario in your construction estimating work. Ready to cut your takeoff time in half with accurate curve measurement? Try PlanForm today to upgrade your construction estimating process.